You're listening to one of a collection of podcasts created by young people all along the Great Western Railway network. This project has been run by Inspiring Audio along with GWR, and we visited youth clubs near GWR train stations. We helped young people work together and create these podcasts about their local area, their interests and their opinions, and we really hope you enjoy them. One of the groups at North Ely Youth Club wanted to do a series of podcasts about issues they have opinions on, and so here they are to introduce this one.
Hello, I'm Jenny.
Hi, I'm Sal.
Hi, I'm August.
Hello, I'm MJ.
Hello, I'm April.
Welcome to the Opinion Podcast. So we give our opinion on things. This week it's school edition.
We are 5 people who live in Wales and go to school, so we have a lot to say about it.
We go to 2 different schools, so we have a lot of different opinions on things.
We're not using our real names, but that's the only thing we aren't being real about. Everything is real and our own opinions.
We have lots of questions about school and school life. We've put them in a box and we're going to answer them in the order that we picked them out of the box.
Question number 1 is, why do we think that we wear uniforms in school?
I think we wear uniforms in school because for the school we can keep us safe in case we get kidnapped or something. If anyone sees, they can just call the police so the school can know.
I don't think we should wear uniforms because not everyone likes the feel and the materials of all the uniforms, and it might be a bit too hot because in high school you always have to wear your blazer, and most people also have jumpers, which makes it very hot. And if you don't have a jumper, it could also be very, very cold, depending on what type of shirt you have.
If we didn't have school uniforms, I think school would be a bit different because of, you'd have kids coming in, decked out in Gucci and stuff, while the other kids are, in, Primark clothes and, wearing Disney shirts and stuff like that. So I think that it wouldn't be, really fair because some of the teachers, they just come in as what they want, but then kids have to wear school uniform. But then if we change that, the teachers have to wear school uniform and the children don't, it would be kind of weird because you'd have kids coming in their pajamas and stuff. I've done it before in primary school. It was quite funny. And you have the twins wearing the same outfits and swapping classes and stuff. It's really weird. So I think they should have school uniforms.
How do you get to school? By bus or a car, a train, plane, anything?
I get to school by going on a bus or walking. Sometimes I like to walk if I'm feeling energised, but I go on the bus if I feel tired. And it's also fun on the bus because you get to spend time with your friends and see new people.
August, I don't get why you would want to go on the bus when I think it would be a bit too crowded. I would prefer to walk if my dad would let me do it every day, but most of the time he puts me in the car. But I would definitely not want to go on the bus because I would feel a bit crowded and my head would start to hurt because if everyone is most people scream on buses, so I've heard.
But if you go on the bus, you can be with your friends and it's more fun because you get to stop and see which people come on the bus and then you can make friends.
I do agree and disagree with August because you can see your friends, but I would prefer to walk or go in a car. I would prefer to walk or go in a car because it's not too crowded or anything like that.
I disagree with April because of where we live. When we're on the bus, no one's on the bus basically. So me and my sister, we're just alone, and then all the other kids that live in a specific area, so they just come on after us, so we have basically the best seats. So if it's a double decker, we just sit in the front seats and everyone gets the rubbish seats. So yeah, thanks for listening to the Opinion Podcast,
and I hope you enjoyed it.
This has been April,
MJ,
August,
Sal,
and
join us next time on the Opinion Podcast.